Okay, so if you get to search.ebscohost.com, this is the document where you would go to find, hold on. Okay, this is the document where you would go to find that link, and then if you're watching this from Crowder, if you go to Crowder's website, it'll show you how to do that, and I will try to post a more specific video for Crowder. For my Pierce City kids, this is how you will do it. So you will go to this page, you'll land here, and you will go to choose and search all resources from an alphabetical list. So that is what you want. Okay, and then you're going to start with Academic Search Elite, and you're going to go to Consumer Health Complete. If you have like a medical-based topic, that's where you'll want to go. Go ahead and choose ERIC, choose MAS Ultra School Edition, Master File Premier. Again, if you have a health-related topic, you could do Medline, Professional Development Collection, and then Science Reference Center. And the rest of these are ebooks, so don't worry about those. And then hit continue. If you are a Crowder student, you will probably have a little bit more options than that, and I think I go over that in a different video, so I will post that for you. Okay, go to advanced search. Okay, this is where you would be a little bit more specific of what you're going to search for. So let's say that you are searching drug testing. Okay, let's do drug testing and schools. Okay, so what you're going to do on this part is you're going to come through and you're going to limit your results. I would start with subject terms. This means that when you are searching, whatever subject terms that article has are going to pull up. They're going to look for drug testing in schools to be in the search terms. Okay, my guess is that we will probably get too many results from just that, so we'll have to go back and limit that again. But drug testing definitely would be good to use like Consumer Health Complete and Medline for, since it has to do with medical things. Then you would just want to come through here and make sure that all of these that have PDF full text availability are marked. You're going to hit search. One thing that you may have to be careful for if you're searching on the school's Wi-Fi when you go to drug testing is that sometimes that stuff is blocked. So maybe don't do this topic. I just chose it as a possible topic. Okay, I'm also going to move my date up here to 2016. Okay, that's going to update some sources for me probably. I'm guessing. Okay, whoo, updated it a lot. Brought it down to 8. I had 62, brought it down to 8. So make sure that you update your dates because that's going to be huge. Okay, so then you would start searching through here and figure out, you know, which one do you want to use. This one looks good. I mean, this is like an actual like argumentative essay is what it looks like. There's no abstract for this one, but you can go on ahead and click on the PDF full text, and then it should bring up the article. And it's really not that long. It's 15 pages, but part of this is references. Like 4 pages of this is references. So really it's not that long. So this would be a good one to look at. If you're going to use a PDF, pulling it up from this particular way, you're going to make sure that you download that to your computer, or you can save it to your drive. If you save it to your drive, when you get to your drive, it's going to have a folder that says Ebscohost on it, and then it'll be in that folder. I would make sure that you give it a title though, so that you know what it's called, what the article is, and then also make sure that you screenshot this page so that you can go back and cite it later. And then like maybe you'd want to pick a different one to look at. If it comes up as like a different continent or country, like Ethiopia, that's not going to be as applicable to the United States. So maybe don't use that one. Okay, a lot of these are, let's do this. Let's see if we add America, if that helps us any. It's probably not going to. No, it's not. Okay, so no, I just have to. I don't want Arabic. Okay, so then what we could do is we could just take this off because it's obviously making it too narrow, but now I'm going to have a lot of results. So what I might do is change this to just title. And that's going to bring it down a little bit to 160. So that's kind of how you have to play with the search terms a little bit to figure out like how do you want to search, where do you want to search. You could go back and add some different things. Maybe you could do like drug testing and controversy. I don't know if that would help you at all. No. Maybe if I make this subject terms instead of title. No. So yeah, you just have to kind of play with it a little bit and you'll end up finding some. The biggest thing is just to make sure you can find some search results for whatever topic it is that you are using so that you can research that topic. Okay. All right. If you were in my Crowder class, I want to show you, if you're taking me online, I want to show you how you would go about using Ebscohost because the way that you log in is going to be a little bit different. If you go to current students and you come down to Lee Library, then you're going to want to go to research databases and going ahead and just scroll. Well, go ahead and do this. Just go to Academic Search Complete right here. You'll have to log in. So your login is going to be your name, and then it's going to be followed by your institution code, which is going to be, if you've never logged on before, hold on, I've got a document that explains this somewhere. Give me just a second. Okay, this is it, and I will post this to your page this week. Okay, so if you've never logged on before, and if you're off campus, which most of you probably are going to be, you're going to enter your name, okay, then you're going to enter your Crowder ID number with a CC at the end, no spaces, capital CC. That's going to get you in. Then it's going to have you create a password. It has to be at least 6 characters, including a capital, a number, and a special character. And if you can't figure that out, call this number and they will be able to help you, okay? I cannot help you log into Lee Library, so don't email me. Call them, okay? And then when you get logged in and you go through and you start figuring out where you can, like what sources you can choose from, you're going to do the same thing that I showed my seated class how to do in Pure City, but you're going to have some other options that they don't have because you're looking through Crowder's library, okay? So that's going to get you in there, okay? So it's the same process. Once you get logged in, it'll look just like what I showed my students, but that's how you will do that, okay? And I have a video that I can post for you guys as well. I'll post several videos. Okay, so that is the biggest thing for everyone. Doesn't matter if you're in my seated class or if you were in my online class. Doesn't matter. That is the steps that you will go through to get to what I'm trying to say, to find your sources for your topic. Okay. All right. If you have any emails, I'm so tired. If you have any questions, send me an email. Have a great weekend.